Cranesbill geraniums are the true geraniums. They are different from the better known, more commonly, pelargonium geraniums. Pelargonium geraniums will grow to a small shrub in their natural environment, but they are not hardy, so if they freeze, because they freeze, that's why we treat them as an annual in most locations. While Cranesbill geraniums are mounded plants, never more than knee-high. They are native to woodlands and prefer dappled or full morning sun and well-drained soil, rich well-drained soil like most plants. These perennial geraniums are hardy and dependable. Addition to your mixed border, there's many different kinds of Cranesbill geraniums with different colored flowers, and the difference is between pelargoniums and Cranesbill geraniums are the flower petals. But you can tell Cranesbill geraniums because they have 5 symmetrical petals, somewhat smaller. Cranesbill geraniums are very carefree. Just give them moderate sun and good soil, and they'll be happy. There's not much you need to do like other plants that need certain care. And they are hardy in zones 4 to 9, and they bloom at the same time as loose strife, and so they're really look good together. Loose strife has a yellow flower, whereas the Cranesbill geranium has a purple or a blue or a pinkish flower. So those blues and yellows look really good together, blooming at the same time. Well, thank you, and if this was any help at all, please subscribe.